We are breaking updates now coming in. An RTI reply has revealed that as many as 503 out of 1,674 technical vacancies are in the DGCA. So the Directorate General of Civil Aviation has disclosed that 503 Group A technical posts are vacant. The shortage raises some concerns about the DGCA's ability to carry out timely safety audits, regulatory checks, as well as any oversight. During a recent meeting of the Parliamentary Accounts Committee, member and former Civil Aviation Minister Praful Patel had flagged the issue, and he said that the DGCA is well equipped, but they're facing a severe shortage of top-level personnel and they need more people. My colleague Isha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Isha, the concerns over the DGCA come at a time when there is a lot of focus on safety of flying in the country. What are the details of what the RTI has revealed?
Right, Pratibha. This is an exclusive document that we have accessed and which has revealed that 503 out of 1,674 are empty. And this definitely does point at a lot of security lapses as well. But it is imperative to note that the DGCA, this is just in Group A. So we can only imagine that there are several other, there must be several other groups as well where vacancies must be. And the shortages are raising multiple questions about DGCA's ability to carry out routine checks and audits and their oversight as well. In fact, this definitely does comes in the backdrop of the horrible Air India crash that took place. And after that, there have been several mayday calls being made as well. So the Aviation Ministry is currently definitely stuck here.
So amid these concerns, we in fact have a response that has come in from the DGCA as well. As the RTI reveals these vacancies, DGCA sources have clarified over these vacancies, saying that these are all new vacancies, that safety and security is on the airline and not on us. We can be more diligent with more manpower. So, Isha, what is the response of the DGCA sources saying that about 400 of these posts are said to be new? What are these details?
Right, Pratibha. So we did try and get a word from the DGCA about these vacancies, and they told us that these are new vacancies that they've been created. In fact, they sort of shifted the blame towards the airlines, stating that it is the responsibility of the airlines to ensure that the safety and security of the airplanes are maintained. And this particular source also mentioned that there are several other vacancies as well, but we are working towards it, and these are just come and they also clarified that the department has grown rapidly, and that is why in particular these vacancies have come forward. So DGCA from their side is stating that these vacancies are new and there is not much to worry about. But again, these definitely does point at major security lapses, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. Isha, thank you for joining us with those details. Definitely concerning, and we're keeping a track of the developments on that. Quick break. We'll be right back.